Ka Donbosco High Secondary School Byrnihat haka khat pra tarik leber kala Plie Pyrda ya kajing rakhi ya ka Jubilee Ksiar kajing ya lenti ka bala kenjo sanpu senam nadu balas dang ya ka haka ju Khubor la penlong ru ya ka lumpung ya kai sports hamadan jong kani ka school kum kada kajing Plie ya kani kajing rakhi ya ka Jubilee Ksiar lawan ban penher ya ka lama jong ka Donbosco High Secondary School Byrnihat da menteri CNRD ba Sostinus Sotun kumukongsan haka kajing dan rengkat upadar Rani, Vice Principal, Kisestar Jongka SMII, Uba Jeff Warlar P, Principal, Father Gregorius Sintem, Kinong Yalam School, Bat Kinong Hikai, Bat Pung Lembung Ki Khana Jongka Ni School. Hakini ka sngi Plie lapan pho pan phing da ka jing shat tan rai bala shim banta da ki Khana School, ka drill, bat ki wei ki bala pen shop beat bah, ya ki kimi ki kpa, bat ki pat bah hakani ka sngi. Kisur jingput jingtem ka music band ki laksam shadu sahit beneng bat hakilum ki them jong ka sor Byrnihat haba Plie ya kani ka jing rakhi Jubilee Ksiar u MLA ula thang ni ka sharak ban pen iya ka dak jing shai ba phalang na kani ka shlem jingtem ula thang ru ya ka mombati jong ka jing e bala pen kut ya kani ka sngi da ka jing sam ya ka busket shaky house captain ki bala job haka match pass.
Our Scouts and Guide members are accompanying the chief guests with great pride and honor. With their disciplined steps and grace. They remind us of the values and tradition that bind us together as one community. On this special occasion, we shall now witness the hosting of the Golden Jubilee flag, marking 50 glorious years of Don Bosco School, Byrnihat. May I now request our esteemed chief guests and dignitaries to kindly proceed for the flag hosting. I request everyone present here to kindly rise and stand in respect for the solemn moment. Big round of applause. Thank you. of unity. Born bride as a symbol of inspiration, perseverance, and excellence.
We are united in prayer and thanksgiving as we begin the celebration of 50 remarkable years of growth in the noble mission of education. With immense joy and gratitude, I hereby declare the Golden Jubilee Year and the annual school sports meet of donbosco Higher Secondary School, Byrnihat, officially open. Thank you.
Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Byrnihat. On this solemn occasion of the opening of the Golden Jubilee Year and the annual sports meet, stand united the noble values and the rich legacy of our institution to remain disciplined and committed and to strive for excellence
Mặc jawa ne jaman nung di ang sing na ang ayaw. Hey, adi dakke na ade, dakke ha nung ay jo. Mặc jawa ne jaman nung di ang sing na ang ayaw.
To remember the 50 years of foundation. Maybe at the time, looking back to 50 years, maybe at the time at a very simple school, be it the LP school, nursery, which this school institution have gone through. And looking back, we have to remember the sacrifices and the contribution that all the people who have jointly contribute or lending support to this great institution, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, touching the 50 years Golden Jubilee. It's not only looking back for the 50 years, but also with the aim of looking ahead for the improvement of education for all the students who are coming to study here in the Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. Each one sitting here, we will always think that how difficult it was 50 years back. And now, with a growing legacy of the Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, we have witnessed and found that many children who have passed out from this school, who have passed out from this institution, they have become maybe engineers, doctors, officers, or maybe they have lended their services in different spheres or in the society. Today, I also stand here to celebrate with the school children the annual sports school, which we have seen through your performance. And I would like to congratulate the band captain and the band performers. And not to forget the bandmaster. We are all satisfied with your performing team.
presents greenhouse. All of you have participated well, you have done well.